But from the beginning of creation, God made them male and female. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. Amidst the talk of the divorce bill in our country, it is timely to talk about not separation but combination, not segregation or discrimination, but tolerance, respect, and acceptance. It is clear that from the beginning, God has designed man and woman to be joined together as husband and wife, to reflect the relationship of Christ and His church. Man is destined to be with a woman, a soulmate, as some would call it, and create new life through procreation and education of offspring. But is this the only way to build a family? Is marriage still necessary? Or is it still important nowadays? Just ask around and you will get various views, be they from hetero, homo, or from an LGBTQIA+ perspective. As our generation is pushing for tolerance and respect, I guess we as Catholics must also express our faith and stand by what the magisterium of the Church is teaching us. We defend life in all its forms, from beginning until the end, not only from natural conception to natural death, but even before conception, when man and woman decides to tie the knot, joined by God in holy matrimony, and commits to be together in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, until death separates them. Sometimes, instead of encouraging couples to stay together, since we view their relationship is on the rocks, or because one of the spouses fell into the temptation of committing adultery or infidelity, we might unconsciously influence them to break their vows and just commit more infidelity in the process. For married couples contemplating divorce, have we done everything to save our marriage? Have we looked back at the vow we have made in front of God? Have we considered everyone, especially our children, or have we been focusing only on ourselves? Our parish, the Santissimo Rosario Parish, celebrates its annual feast day today. An image of Mary being a mother who lovingly fondles her son Jesus in her arms. This image of Mary points us to her son, telling us that He is the way, the truth, and the life. If you want to go to heaven, follow Him. In this year of prayer, we are invited to rediscover the power and beauty of the Rosary. The life of the Holy Family of Nazareth, reflected in the mysteries of the Rosary, are a testament of joyful following and fidelity to God's unending grace, of persevering sacrifice amidst trials and challenges, of the persistent light which shines forth in the midst of darkness and doubt, and of the glory promised and fulfilled for those who remain faithful to their vocation as God's children until the end. Our Mother, Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario, pray for us.